well, it's 4 o'clock in the morning. We're up. We are heading to a place to go duck hunting. It's way too early for me, but this is going to be an awesome place to hunt. We got a canoe in quite a ways over beaver dams in the dark to get to this spot. So we're heading in. I'm probably leaving in about a half hour. And we'll get loaded up, get ready to go, and I'll see you there.
Yeah, we're going to this little secret spot that holds legendary status amongst locals and the people I hunt with. But most people don't even know how to get there. But my friends were in there a few days ago, and they kind of coursed out a little bit of a path for me. So we're going to try and get in there, and it's full of ducks. So hopefully we can find some.
Yeah, man.
Need some coffee first. We're running a little late here.
Aren't we always?
Yeah.
We'll get in there.
The thing is, this paddle takes a little longer than it's supposed to because I've never done it, so.
Like that.
What? You know what they say? What? Coyotes are howling, ducks are flying. That's dead. That's what the old timers always say, especially in the month of October. They say mid to late October, if you hear coyotes, you better be duck hunting. That's what they say.
They'll try that.
That's what all the old timers say.
I'm not sure. Where do we go? What are you paddling on that side for?
We have to go through here.
You're kidding me.
The channel's right over there. That's where we're trying to go. Paddle.
It's got to be a better way. Is there a channel? No.
Alright, we gotta go back.
Yeah, there was a big left up here. So I'd probably pay to come in here during the day and look at this. Because you could paddle forever in here and never get anywhere. Alright, this has been an epic paddle, I'll tell you what. I think we're getting into a dead end here though. Are we in the wrong place?
No, we had a plan to get to the wire. We didn't get to the wire. Right?
To the wire. Look at those birds. Wow. So we're running. It was such a pain to get through into here. We're running late. We should be set up right now.
We should have shot a limit by now.
Ross, sit down. There you go. You tip us over. I know you are. There's some beaver lodge things there.
Well, we can sit on that if we had to. Yeah, absolutely. There's supposed to be a blind. Let me get my phone.
Yeah, grab your phone.
It's not dead because I had it on. Okay. That's a journey. And I'm gonna start throwing decoys out. I think we missed our chance at the mallards for the day. Hope the teal are still flying, even though it's a nice day. It's not the best duck hunting day. Fetch it, Ross. Good boy. Fetch it, buddy. That's my hen mallard for the day. Good boy, Rossi. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Good boy. Good one. Fetch it. I don't know if he's gonna find that one.
Another one.
I don't find that duck without him.
See?
It's like sometimes I just need to like give him the confidence that he can go in there, and then once he's in there, he searches, you know? Fetch it.
Yeah.
Ross, fetch that one.
I'm all right with that one.
No, there's enough birds. We don't really have to
Look at it. It's a nice one.
Try what yours look like. Nice. They're such a pretty bird, huh? Smokes. That's a big group of birds, huh? They're coming right down the river, Dad. They're kind of split up. Come on, just give us one or two.
Too high?
Yeah. After a great morning hunt, we had downed 8 birds and lost 4 in the brush. A mixture of green-winged teal, blue-winged teal, mallards, and wood ducks. And we decided to head for the truck and start the long, arduous paddle out.
Ross, sit. You're doing good, Ross. Sit down. Sit down, buddy. Yeah, there's no paddling forward.
other side you can't get on?
I don't trust it. I just put my paddle right through it. Maybe up here.
Nope.
Open water. That's one mat. I pushed it down underneath the other mat.
All right, I think we could push our way through this, right? Maybe.
Went to the wire and back. Successful. That's a spot that I've wanted to go to for 2 years. And either I didn't know how to get in there, or I couldn't find somebody that wanted to go with me. It's that hard of a spot to get to. But the reward of seeing that many ducks and being in a place where I don't think there's many places you can go and see that caliber or have that caliber of a duck hunt. That was
The variety of ducks was amazing.
so.
How many different species did we see?
We had teal and buffleheads land in the same spot. I don't know if there's many places that you can hunt where you can say that you have teal and buffleheads land on you. We saw shovelers, which you don't typically see a ton of around here. You know, people out west shoot them a lot, or down, you know, the central flyway shoot them a lot. But we don't have much of them here. We saw a bunch of shovelers, saw a bunch of widgeon, some pintails,
Green wing, blue wing,
teal,
mallards, black ducks.
yeah, everything. It was that's an pretty incredible spot to get to. So that was all thanks to Ducks Unlimited. They went and did all that work and put all that in there. So props to DU.